Keto French fries? Yes. Heavenly Fan's recipe is a game changer. Are you a French fry fanatic on a keto journey? I know the struggle all too well. Crispy, salty fries are that ultimate comfort food we all crave. While traditional potatoes are a keto no-no, there's an incredible solution: Heavenly Fan's Keto French Fries. Who's Heavenly Fan, you might ask? She's a creative culinary wizard on YouTube who's cracked the code to ridiculously delicious keto-friendly versions of our favorite treats. Her keto fries are surprisingly simple, insanely satisfying, and might just become your new weekly craving. Ingredients: serves 2 to 3. Base, your choice of almond flour, 100 grams. Coconut flour, 50 grams. Binding agent, 3 teaspoons xanthan gum, konjac powder works too. Liquid, 6 to 8 tablespoons hot water, adjust slightly as needed. Flavor, salt to taste, Himalayan or sea salt is best. Oil, high heat oil for frying, avocado, coconut, etc. The magic of the method: mix and rest. Whisk together your chosen flour and xanthan gum. Stir in hot water gradually until you form a pliable dough. Let it rest for 15 minutes, this is key for the perfect texture. Roll and cut, roll out the dough until it's about 1/4 centimeter thick. Now, channel your inner chef and cut those classic French fry shapes. Aim for a similar thickness to regular fries. The golden touch: heat your oil in a frying pan over medium-low heat. Be generous, you want enough oil to partially cover the fries for even cooking. Gently add your fries and let them sizzle until gloriously golden brown on each side. Drain and season, transfer cooked fries to paper towels to drain excess oil. While still warm, sprinkle generously with salt. Flavor boosters. Get creative. Consider these flavor upgrades to personalize your keto fries. Herby, toss with dried rosemary or Italian seasoning before frying. Spicy, add a pinch of cayenne pepper to the dough. Cheesy, sprinkle with nutritional yeast for a cheesy touch. Dips, pair with keto-friendly sauces like sugar-free ketchup or a creamy garlic aioli. Why you'll love this recipe: crispy and delicious, Heavenly Fan's recipe delivers that satisfyingly crispy exterior and tender interior, just like traditional fries. Easy to make, no complicated techniques here. This recipe is beginner friendly. Versatile, customize with your favorite seasonings. Keto approved, finally, fries that fit your healthy lifestyle. Are there variations? Absolutely. While Heavenly Fan's original recipe is fantastic, here are some fun twists. Oven baked, reduce the oil and bake the fries in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. Air fryer, a healthier option with fantastic crispiness. Adjust cooking time and temperature according to your air fryer model. Other root veggies. Experiment with turnips, rutabagas, or jicama for different flavor profiles. The verdict: Heavenly Fan's Keto French fries are a total revelation. They're the perfect treat for guilt-free indulgence. So, preheat that oil and roll up your sleeves, a world of crispy, low-carb fries awaits. Subscribe to our channel and let's transform your healthy eating journey into a delicious adventure.